Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how to add Apple Pay to your Wix.com website. So it's pretty simple. You need to go in your Wix.com dashboard and then go down to settings here. And from here, just go to accept payments. The next step is simply to accept credit or debit card with Wix. So you need to connect your card details here. As you can see, we have an Apple Pay option here. So simply connect all your details as Wix tells you to do. And then once you're set up, you should have a toggle that looks something like this. So it should look like this. So you have accepting payments for all of these credit and debit cards. But then you should also have a specific Apple Pay Express checkout function where you can toggle this on. Once both are toggled on, Apple Pay will be available on your Wix.com website for people to easily check out and make a purchase on your Wix.com website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions and I'll do my best to answer them in the comments.